Good afternoon, everybody. Reverend Dr. J. Lauren Russell here. Hey, listen, today is Monday, December 12th, 2022, and at 8 p.m. tonight, it'll be time for Matters of Faith, the radio show. We will be live on J. Lauren Russell as well as the Matters of Faith Facebook groups. Tonight's topic: it still requires maintenance. It still requires maintenance. And you can find that article in my column, www.thebronxchronicle.com. Scroll down until you find my column, Matters of Faith, and there you will find that article, and it is entitled, It Still Requires Maintenance. And listen, the question that we're going to ask tonight to challenge all of us: mental, physical, nutritional, spiritual. What level of holistic maintenance are you providing to the tent the Lord allows you to occupy? Let me ask it again. Mental, physical, nutritional, spiritual. What level of holistic maintenance are you providing to the tent the Lord allows you to occupy? My very special guest tonight will be Evangelist Caprice Davis. You don't want to miss this show. Trust me, you don't want to miss this show. Caprice Davis will be our guest. Telephone, text, email, however you do it. Make sure you telephone and tell a friend that Matters of Faith will be on again from 8 to 10 p.m. tonight. And my special guest is Evangelist Caprice Davis, and we will be discussing the topic: it still requires maintenance. God bless you. You know that I love you. There's absolutely nothing that you can do about it. So I'll see you tonight at 8 p.m. And don't forget, tell a phone and tell a friend.